Magpe-play kami ng 1 second ng songs ng SB19. We have 5 songs. Let's see if ma-recognize mo lahat. Okay. First song.
Dam.
Yeah! Tama! Okay. Second song. First song was Damn. Second song.
I want you.
Yeah! Ang galing naman ni ate. Okay, tama siya. Second song is I Want You. Third song.
Ikako.
Yes! Hala, 3 out of 3 na si ate. Ang galing. Okay, fourth song.
Medyo nahirapan ako dun ha. Hindi ko masyadong narinig.
Isa pa.
Hindi ko na.
Okay, first 3 seconds.
Oh my God. Tila luha ba to? Hindi, hanggang sa huli.
Yeah!
Yun.
Tama. Okay, last song. Fifth song.
Niebe.
Yay! Tama! 5 out of 5. Ang galing ni ate. Fan talaga siya. Okay, thank you, ate. Hello po, I'm with...
Karin.
Hi, Miss Kari! Yay! Follower daw siya! So, Miss Kari,